Hello everyone, welcome to Alex Code. So let's start with the today's problem. The problem states that an array consists both positive and negative number in random order. Arrange the array elements so that all the negative numbers appear before all positive numbers. So the problem is very straight. We have an array of both negative and positive element. We need to shift all the negative elements to the start of the array and all the positive elements to the right of the array. So let's go through the example once. Our input is value of a's are so the array has both negative and positive numbers. So the output of this array would be so here all the negative values are at the starting of the array and rest of the positive values are at the end of the array. So I believe the problem is clear to you. So let's check how we can solve these. So the naive way of solving this problem is that we have the array which has both positive and negative values. We need to shift all the negative values to the starting of the array. If we sort this array, then it would be so after sorting our array would look like this, and it solves our problem. This takes time complexity of n log n because sorting would take n log n, and space complexity would be of 1 as we are solving it in constant space. So the sorting solves our problem, but it takes O of n log n time. But we can do much better than this. Let's see in approach 2. So in approach 2, we would be using two pointers. So initially they would be pointing at the start of the array. Those two pointers are I and j. So now the task is that we would be traversing through the I, and j will make sure all the elements before j are all negative numbers. As soon as we get any negative value at ith index, we will swap it with jth index and we will increment j. So let's see how. So right now they both are pointing to the -12. So we will increment both the pointers. So now I is pointing to 11. We'll increment the I. Now I is pointing to -13. So we find out a negative value. So we will swap it with jth index. After swap, we will increment both the pointers. As we can see, all the elements before the j are all negative. At ith index, we get a negative value. So we will swap it with value at jth. After swap, we will increment both the pointers. At I, we have a positive value. We will increment only I. At ith index, we got a negative value. We will swap it with the value at jth. And after swap, we will increment both the pointers. At ith index, we have a positive value. We will increment only ith index. At ith index, we got a negative value. We will swap it with the value at jth. After swapping, we will increment both the pointers. So at ith index, we got a negative value. So we'll swap it with the jth index. So after that, we will increment both the pointers and our iteration is complete. And we can see before jth, all the values are negative values, and it is according to our problem. Like all the negative values should be at the starting of the array and positive value should be at the right of the array. So the problem is solved. This approach is taking of n plus n time, that is of n only, but this approach is taking 2 passes, which is obviously better than the previous approach. And space complexity is obviously of 1 as we are not using any extra space. So since we are solving this problem in 2 passes, we can do it in single pass also. Let's see how. So in this approach, we'll be using 2 pointers, left and right. Left would be pointing at the left of the array and right would be pointing at the right of the array. So the task of the left pointer is that all the values left to the left pointer should be negative values, and all the values at the right of the right pointer should be positive values. And we will be comparing values at left and right at the same time. So there will be only 4 possibilities, that are A of left is positive as well as A of right is positive. A of left is positive and A of right is negative. A of left is negative and A of right is positive. And A of left is negative as well as A of right is negative. So we will start and we'll see what we'll do. So right now both the pointer has negative values. So we need to keep the value at left. So we will increment the left. That's it. Right now we have positive value at left and negative value at right. So we need the negative value at the left side and the positive value at the right side. So we'll directly swap it. And after the swap, we will increment the left and decrement the right. Right now both the values are negative, so we will increment the left. Both the values are negative again, we will increment the left. So value at left is positive and right is negative. We will swap and increment the left and decrement the right. Right now value at left is negative and value at right is positive. Both the values are at the correct place, so we will just increment the left and decrement the right. Since the left and right crossed over, so our loop will end there and we can see our problem is solved. But in case when the value at left is positive and value at right is also positive, at that time we would only decrement the right. And we can see left has traveled this much distance and right has traveled this much distance. So this will end up in only single pass. So the time complexity of this would be of n only and single pass, and space complexity would be of 1 since we are not using any extra space, and this solves our problem in O of n time. So this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you find this helpful. If so, press the like button, and if you are into this kind of content, consider subscribing the channel, and thanks for watching.